Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to leave feedback on Upwork. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you recently worked with a contractor or a freelancer and you really like the work that they did. How do you actually leave them feedback? So either way guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the first thing that we're going to do is hop onto our Upwork account and then click on messages. Now there's multiple ways that you could actually do this guys. Here, you just want to find the message in which you're working with your freelancer. Next, click on View Contract on the right hand side. And then from here, you want to click on these three dots on the upper right hand side. Next, you want to click on this button that says Give Feedback, which is close to the End Contract button. So make sure you don't click that, but click on Give Feedback. And so you're going to be on this page here that says leave feedback. You can give public feedback. So I really like working with Imam. He's an absolutely fantastic video editor. So we're just going to give him all 5 stars in all categories. And then this is where you're going to type your experience. You can say Imam has been fabulous to work with. So just a short excerpt as far as leaving feedback. And then next you would just click on submit feedback. So that feedback that you just left is going to be public for everyone else to see. So if you do like your contractor, it would probably help them if you actually did leave a good raving review so that other individuals would be more willing to hire the freelancer that you're working with. But that right there is how to give or leave feedback on Upwork. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.